Hello everyone, we have worked on blog page. Um, we have added the new functionality all text box for 1200 image, 300 by 300 image and 200 by 300 image. Mm, when we add 1200 by 1200 image, if the image is not 1200 by 1200, then it gives the error message plus select image of size 1200 by 1200. And this is successfully uploaded, and we can also add the text here, image 1200, and same is apply for this. If we add the wrong pixel image, it only required the 300 by 300 image. Then this is the correct image here we uploaded, and we can also add the text for that image. It requires the 200 by 300 image, and we can also add the text for that image. Image 200 by 300, and we uploaded it, updated it. Then it gives the correct result and successfully uploaded all three images. Thank you.